A detailed look at the opportunities and obstacles in the drone market. Drone Industry Insights, DRONEII, has conducted an analysis of the Indian drone market, focusing on its potential and current state based on recent industry surveys. According to a blog post by Ed Alvarado from DRONEII, the interest in drone technology in India is growing, coinciding with the country's population surpassing that of China. This interest spans government and private sectors, with applications ranging from agriculture and public health to disaster management and infrastructure development. The post draws on data to outline how drones are being integrated into various sectors. In agriculture, which employs a significant portion of India's workforce and contributes notably to its GDP, drones offer a way to increase efficiency through precision farming. This is particularly relevant as the country faces the challenges of urbanization and a decreasing workforce in rural areas. Drones also have applications in managing natural disasters, a common occurrence in India. Their use in surveying land, inspecting buildings at risk, and assisting in search and rescue operations during events like floods and earthquakes highlights their potential impact. Indian drone market analysis. Despite a competitive market with a high number of medium-sized drone companies, the diversity within the industry is notable. Companies are primarily engaged in drone services, education, software manufacturing, and hardware production. This indicates a healthy market with a variety of offerings. Challenges such as public acceptance and safety concerns are significant, as noted in the DRONEII survey. However, the Indian drone market is characterized by a high level of optimism among companies, with a reported optimism level of 7.8 out of 10, surpassing the global average. Regulatory changes, including a ban on drone imports and restrictions on foreign operators, are aimed at supporting the domestic drone industry. These measures, while restrictive for foreign companies, are intended to encourage local manufacturing and innovation. In summary, DRONEII's analysis of the Indian drone market points to a sector with strong potential and a positive outlook, despite facing certain challenges. The government's regulatory efforts are designed to nurture the industry, positioning India as an important player in the global drone market as it continues to evolve.